Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the fourth grade concept of two-step multiplication and division problems. This is standard 4.4H in the great state of Texas. We are using item number 4 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so Xenia is making some hair bows here, and she wants to put them in boxes to sell. All right, so each hair bow takes 7 ribbons. All right, I'm not going to try to draw a hair bow. I'm just going to draw a little rectangle. That's my hair bow, and that takes 7 ribbons. All right, so 7 ribbons makes a hair bow, right? So 14 ribbons would make 2 hair bows. 21 ribbons would make 3 hair bows, so on and so forth. All right, so these are my hair bows with my 7 ribbons each. She used a total of 483 ribbons. So I'm wondering, how many hair bows can she make? I could I could extend my 7s all the way up to 483, but I would run out of screen, and that would take a lot of time. So let's draw a strip diagram here. It uses the word total, so literally that's going to be my total. Right, 483. The question I have first is, how many of these 7s can I get out of 783? Well, if I knew my multiplication facts times 7 up to 483, I could figure that out, but that's way too big. So let's think. This is showing us 7 times something equals 483. So let's think of a related fact. Most of you are thinking, well, you can divide. And if you're thinking you can divide, you are correct. I can divide that 483 by 7. So let's do that first to figure out how many hair bows Xenia could make. So I need to divide 7 into 483. So when we are doing our long division, I think of, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So that gives me my steps for this algorithm. We divide, and then we multiply, and we subtract, we check, and then we bring down. All right, so we look. 7 does not go into 4. We start with the first digit. So then we look at the first 2 digits. 7 goes into 48 almost 7 times. If it was one more, it'd go in 7 times. It's going to go in 6 times. Multiply 7 times 6, 42. Subtract 40. We're just ignoring the 3 right now. 48 minus 42 gets you 6. We need to check, is this difference smaller than your divisor? If it's equal or larger, you're in trouble, but it is smaller, so we're good. We bring down 1 digit at a time. In this case, we're going to do 3. We do it all over again. 7 goes into 63, and hopefully you're seeing this is going to go in evenly, so that's good. 9 times 7 is 63. Subtract, there's nothing there. So that's smaller, and there's nothing left, so 69. Okay, so she can make, let's go ahead and put that down, 69 hair bows with her ribbons, her 483 ribbons. Now we've got another step we got to deal with. She's got 69 hair bows. Each box is filled with 3 hair bows. So now I'm going to make a new strip diagram. I've got my new total, 69 hair bows. And then I've got boxes of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. The question is, how many 3s can I get out of 69? We're going to have to long division again. So let's use a different color here. All right, so divide. 3 goes into 6 2 times. That's going to be 6. And that's going to be 0. Let's bring this down. 3 goes into 9 3 times. There we go. So 23. So she has 23 boxes of hair bows.